That water is splashing to me. It looks so natural and it feels so cool. Hello guys, what do you make interesting? Wave of water or the waterfall? Today my interest is for waterfall. You might know already. Now talk of the town is this Khorfakkan waterfall, which is recently opened. This is east coast of Sharjah. So today I am going to show you that waterfall, and one more interesting will come over. Just keep in touch and stay tuned with EMIRATES Diary. So guys, I am approaching to this beautiful waterfall, Khorfakkan waterfall. Let's check it out, how it is. Here you can see behind that waterfall is there. Let's move forward. So finally I am here. You can see back of me the beautiful waterfall. Even though it is man-made, but it looks so natural. So stay tuned, I will show you the full waterfall. So guys, what I have told you in the beginning, that I'm going to show you another attraction in Khorfakkan. You can see behind me, this is called Khorfakkan Amphitheater. Actually, they are preparing for 31st December. There will be on program scheduled. So I am not able to go inside, but make sure I will tell you that next time I will go inside and show you the overall theatre. So today I am going to show all around. So just stay tuned. amphitheater is basically based on the Roman style. It's mix up of Roman and Arabic. It's a new concept in Khorfakkan. If you check it out behind me, you can see that Khorfakkan beach. So just opposite of that beach, this Khorfakkan amphitheater is. So people are coming over for weekend in this beach, and they can enjoy this amphitheater program as well as that waterfall. So guys, I am going to sign off for today. Hope to see you next time. If you are new in this channel, make sure that you subscribe EMIRATES Diary, because your subscription is my inspiration.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see.